Alrighty, here's a little video of my all LED rear lighting, jury-rigged with jumpers. I've got a flasher box making all of them flash. These are from like a Toyota Celica. You can see they stick out. The bulb is actually inside the lens, unlike the OEM crappy ones that GTs come with, which have the bulb almost entirely outside the lens and they only illuminate the inside of the car. So I got 28 LED bulbs in all of the round lights, LED license plate lights, LED reverse light, and so on. So there they are. I'm going to set the camera down and try to make the lights stay on steady. And there we go. So that's what my lights look like if they were all lit all the time. And I'd say that's pretty darn bright. Okay, that's it.